These are the most viral bangles and kadas that you have literally seen all over your Instagram, and I got them from Amazon. I really like this necklace. I mean, just look at it. Wow. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and welcome to another video. आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है, it's going to be around some very trendy jewelry. Now I think हम सब ने वो chunky kadas and ट्रेंडी एक्सेसरीज देखी हैं जो हर जगह इंस्टाग्राम पे इस टाइम, पिंटरेस्ट पे इस टाइम, and I think the whole social media is literally flooded with those. So I wanted to buy all of them but at a very affordable price. And what is better than Amazon, because मुझे literally लगता है कि वो हर चीज़ इतनी सस्ती कर देता है कि बहुत मजा आता है शॉपिंग करने में. So I got some item jewelry, of course, a lot of chunky kadas, some necklaces and stuff which are very aesthetic and very Pinteresty. So I just wanted to show you guys that, and I thought of doing this haul. So yeah, today's video is a huge aesthetic trendy jewelry haul, which I thought would be something that you guys will be interested in. So yeah, before I get into the video, let me tell you सारे products Amazon से हैं. सारी डिटेल्स एंड जितने भी ऑफर्स हैं मैं सब कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी along with the links, तो चेक जरूर से कर लेना. एंड या विदाउट एनी फर्दर ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I'll start with the most trendy items, I would say. सबसे पहले जो मैंने लिया, I got this bangle, and this is like a 3-in-1 bangle set kind of thing, and this is such a trendy piece. I have literally seen it at so many places and like so many people wearing this, and I loved it. I mean, just look at it. I think कोई भी basic सा outfit हो उसके साथ आप ये पहन लो. Like even I'm wearing a very pretty dress right now, but there is no accessory on me. I think just adding something like this and like छोटू से hoops, that will be enough. So this is the first item I got, and I absolutely love it. I mean, it's layered, 3-in-1 है, एक ही पहन लो काफी हो जाता है, and you can maybe add a watch along with it in another hand and you are done. So I absolutely love this one. एंड बहुत कंफर्टेबल भी है. प्लस जितनी भी ज्वेलरी मैं आपको आज दिखा रही हूँ सब कुछ एंटी टार्निश भी होने वाली है. सो yep, that's the first item that I have got. Okay, next one is this kada. So it also has this tiny embellishment. ऐसे नग लगे हुए हैं यहाँ पे, and this is again something that I've seen all over my Instagram, and it looks like this. It's adjustable in size, तो अगर जिसकी पतली कलाई है, जैसे मेरी भी कलाई ना काफी पतली है, so I think it still looks quite nice. And yeah, I mean, I can just pose it like this or do something like this, and it looks so nice and so trendy. Also, if you just wear this, you do not need to wear anything else. So I genuinely enjoy pieces like this, and this one literally made me feel like ki, haan, this is made for me. So I love how it looks, I love how it feels on me also. Absolutely amazing. Okay, next up is again a kada set. I think I got too many kadas. I have probably spent most of it on like hand accessories, but I think that's okay. That's the most trendy thing right now. So next मैंने ये pack of 3 kadas लिए हैं. Again, chunky kadas. And एक ये है गोल्ड में थोड़ा सा ऐसा, I don't know the shape of this, but I really like whatever it is. Then एक ये पतला बैंगल है बीच में, and then एक और मोटा प्लेन बैंगल है. So it's like set of 3. पहनने पे ये कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है. So it's again very bulky and very nice, and I love the sound it makes, थोड़ा छन छन. And again, like with outfits like this, so nice, right? I can just wear 2 also, I can just wear 1 also, और अगर मुझे तीनों पहनना है तो मैं तीनों पहन सकती हूँ. I might go for like a size smaller for this, but overall I love this and absolutely obsessed with this piece. Definitely one of my top favorites. Okay, I have few more bracelets, but I think uske pehle I want to show something else. So I got this set. Okay, it has this ring, it has this kada, एंड इट हैज दिस नेकलेस. 3 चीजों का सेट है, एंड अंडर रुपीज, मैं आपको जितनी भी ज्वेलरी आज दिखा रही हूँ, everything is under rupees 500. So I want to show you guys this set सबसे पहले. Okay, this is how the necklace looks like. It's giving very antique vibe, to be honest. I love the detailing यहाँ पे. It's like this pearl detailing with that थोड़ा सा disfigured shape. And let me just wear it. I am obsessed with it. Okay, this is how it looks on wearing, and I can just wear this only, and I do not need to have any earrings also then. So I love, अगर आपका कोई भी basic सा outfit है, आप उसको कितना elevate कर सकते हो एक ऐसे necklace के साथ. But ये सिर्फ necklace नहीं है, because it has the bracelet. So let's just wear the bracelet also. I think मैं इसको ऐसे ही पहन सकती हूँ. Yes, and I can just tighten it also. And it also has a ring, so I can just wear the ring. Ring be adjustable, as I can wear it in any finger. and this is how my set looks like. I mean, wow, ये set literally wow scream कर रहा है. It is so good. I love this set. I mean the necklace, the ring, the kada, all three of them इतने प्यारे लग रहे हैं ना. अगर इन पर्सन आप देखोगे तो आपको ये और अच्छा लगेगा. I am sure about it. So I absolutely love how it's looking. And yeah, this is my next pick. If you are looking for something जो थोड़ा सा आपके स्टाइल को एलिवेट कर सके और आप बहुत ज़्यादा बेसिक्स में हो, तो दिस इज वन सेट विच आई सजेस्ट यू गाइज टू हैव इट. एंड आई वांट टू टॉक इट लाइक दिस ओनली मेरे हाथ के साथ, सो दैट यू कैन कॉन्टिन्यूसली सी माई ज्वेलरी कि कैसी लग रही है. ऐसे अगर मैं बात करूँ तो लोगों का फोकस जाएगा ही मेरी ज्वेलरी पे. सो आई थिंक दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ ज्वेलरी लाइक दिस. तो मुझे तो ये पर्सनली बहुत अच्छी लगी. एंड yeah, I think this one is my favorite. Okay, next up, the next kada which I got is this one. I love it. It's very asymmetrical and I love the design of this one. एंड पहनने पे कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. बहुत प्यारा लग रहा था ये मुझे. ये मैंने ऐसा हिल रोड पे भी देखा था, बट हिल रोड पे थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव था, सो आई थॉट ऑफ चेकिंग इट ऑन अमेजोन. एंड अमेजोन पे मुझे थोड़ा बेटर प्राइस पे मिल रहा था, सो आई थॉट ऑफ गेटिंग इट. प्लस आई न्यू उसमें लिखा था कि एंटी टार्निश है, तो ये चल जाएगा मेरा लंबा. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. एंड मुझे तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. आप मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ कि आपको ये वाला पीस कैसा लग रहा है. इट्स शेप का ना एक नेकलेस भी आता है कई बार, बट मुझे सिर्फ ब्रेसलेट चाहिए था. एंड yeah, I am really into like chunky jewelry at the moment, and you can see me wearing a lot of chunky jewelry. In fact, मैंने necklace भी नहीं हटाया because it looks so nice. So yeah, that is the next item. Okay, moving on, another bracelet which is my absolute fave is this square bracelet which is under 6 circle. And I mean just the shape of this is so unique, and it has this nug yahan pe. And overall it's a very unique piece. Matlab all of these pieces literally look like from a very expensive brand, but they are super affordable, which is what I like. And I think isko bhi main directly hi pehen sakti hu. Yes, and I can tighten it up, and this is how it looks like. It's like a bangle which I can wear anywhere, and I like it a lot. आपको ये वाला पीस कैसा लग रहा है? इसमें नक का कलर एक ही था. They did not have any other color which was orange, but I was kind of okay with it because I mean mix match करके outfits में चल जाता है. So yeah, this is the next piece that I got. Okay, moving ahead, I got this bracelet, a very sea inspired bracelet because it has a lot of shells, starfish, pearls. So very sea inspired. And I love the starfish on this also. It's English starfish, pearls हैं उस पे भी. And मेरा तो मन कर रहा था इसको मैं as a necklace पहन लूँ, but ऐसा bracelet है तो इसको हम as a bracelet पहनेंगे. ओके, आई लव इट. इट इज़ अ लिटिल लूज, तो मैं इसको थोड़ा टाइट बंद करूंगी. अभी मैंने इसको लास्ट लूप पे बंद नहीं करा है, बट लुक एट इट, सो प्रिटी एंड इट्स गिविंग लाइक अ टोटल बीच वेके वाइब. And for my next beach vacation, I think this is just perfect. Like the right amount of starfish, the right amount of shell, the right amount of shells, just a gorgeous piece. One last item to show from this jewelry haul, which is this tiny hoops. They are literally so tiny. Oh my god, so cute, right? I do have a lot of golden jewelry and मेरे पास hoops भी बहुत है, but मेरे पास इतना tiny कुछ नहीं है. और मुझे ना कभी कभी ऐसा ब्रांड शूट हो गया या कभी कभी बस खुद से मन करता है कि कुछ एकदम छोटा सा पहनना है, तो मुझे लगा ये उसके लिए काफी परफेक्ट रहेगा. क्वालिटी इज क्वाइट नाइस एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. छोटू सा एकदम. So I really wanted something this tiny and this looks amazing. I loved the quality and it's very lightweight. Usually क्या होता है, hoops या तो बहुत heavy होते हैं या तो उनकी quality बहुत flimsy होती है, but इसकी quality perfect है और एकदम lightweight है, तो मुझे लगा ये मेरे लिए काफी appropriate रहेगा. And yes, my hoops are done. I love hoops like this. So affordable, so trendy, goes with literally everything and anything. So yeah, that's the last item that I got. If you have been watching this video since the beginning, you know कि beginning में look मेरा अच्छा लग रहा था, but बहुत simple था. And now with the correct accessories, it has just elevated. So I think that is the power of good accessories, कि you don't need to really burn a lot in your pocket. आप थोड़ी सी अच्छी ज्वेलरी खरीद लो थोड़े affordable prices में and you're good to go. And now this looks really elevated and nice. So I think jewelry really plays some good game in your looks, and I love everything that I showed you guys today. आप मुझे comment करके बताओ कि आपका favorite कौन सा था, and everything that I showed you guys today is from Amazon. मैं सब कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी एंड मैं सारे लिंक्स कमेंट्स में भी पिन कर दूंगी, तो चेक जरूर से कर लेना. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. If you did like it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys super soon again with another video. Until then, bye guys, take care.